Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Bobin Aryadi Jasno. My student ID number 172308088 and I'm from class 175A07. In this special occasion, I would like to tell you about computer and hardware. There are two kinds I want to explain. The first, I want to explain of material about computer. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device designed to receive data, process that data, store the data, and produce information. The main goal of computer is to assist humans in processing data, performing calculation, and completing tasks automatically. The origin of the word from computer comes from the English word to compute, or which means to calculate. And there are a brief history of computers. The first generation until fifth generation, and the time period 1940s until future, and the K technology from vacuum tube and artificial intelligence, the characteristics more than better time by time and year by year. And there are three type of computer based on size. The first is large-scale computers, medium and small scale, and the third is personal computers. The first is large-scale computers. There are two kinds large-scale computer. The example is supercomputer, the fastest and most powerful computers in the world, designed for extremely complex calculation and data-intensive tasks. It uses weather simulation, nuclear research, and high-level scientific modeling. And the second is mainframe. It's large-capacity computers used by large organizations to process vast amounts of data and manage many concurrent users. It uses for banking, insurance, airline, reservation systems. And the second is medium and small-scale computers. There are two kinds medium and small scale computers. It's mini computer or server. This is a general purpose computers smaller than mainframes often use a server in small to medium sized business networks. And the second is workstation this is a high performance desktop computers designed for a single user requiring powerful processing and graphic capabilities. It uses for graphic design, engineering, or we call CAD, and software development. And the last is personal computers. There are three kinds of personal computers. The first is personal computers or PC. The most common type designed for single person used in a fixed location. The second is laptop or notebook. It's like portable and integrated computers like screen, keyboard, and processing unit combined. And the last is smartphone. This is a mobile device that combines the features of a mobile phone with personal computing function. Now, after understanding the basic concepts and history of computers, let's move on to the physical components, its hardware. I want to explain of material about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware consists of all the physical components of a computer system that can be seen and touched. The main goal of hardware is to execute the instruction provided by the software to process and store data. And the origin of the word from etymology, hard is referring to the material being solid, firm, or difficult, and the word is meaning manufactured goods, merchandise, or article offered for sale. And there are four categories of hardware. First is input device, second is processing device, the third is output device, and the last is storage device. The first is input device. Input device are pieces of hardware equipment used to introduce data, instruction, or control signals into a computer or other information processing system. The main function input device is to enable communication and control from the user to the computer system. And this is a common examples like keyboard, mouse, microphone, and webcam. And the second is processing device. Processing device are the internal hardware components responsible for the executing instruction, processing data, and controlling cooperation of the entire computer system. The main function of processing device is to execute the information processing cycle. And this is a key processing components. First is CPU, and the second RAM, and the third is motherboard. And the third is output device. Output device are pieces of hardware that communicates the results of data processing carried out by the computer to the user or another computer. And the main function is to act as the final step in the computer's information processing cycle. It's like completing the journey from raw data to a meaningful information. And this is a common example: the first monitor, second printer, and the third speaker. And this is the last. The last is storage device. Storage device are hardware components that record and retain digital data information and program for current or for future use. And the function is to keep data safe even when the computer is off. And there are two kinds of storage device. The first is internal and the second is external. The first is HDD or hard disk drive, and the second is SSD or solid state drive, and the third is read-only memory. And the secondary storage for external is flash drive or USB, and the second is external hard drive or SSD. Thank you very much for the attention, and thank you very much for watching until the end. That's all about my explanation about hardware and computer. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.